I love the stock market as much as I love gardening. This gave me the idea of creating a stock market plant. I wanted a way to visually represent the market's daily performance just by looking at a plant. Here's how it works. If the market goes up on any particular day, the plant gets watered. And if the market is down, it doesn't. Yes, it's a little cruel to the plant given today's market volatility, but I think it'll make for a really interesting project. I chose this lily because it's root bound and it wilts quickly if it's not watered, making it the perfect indicator. By the way, I'm Tim, an electrical engineer who applies engineering principles to gardening. If you enjoy learning about how science and engineering can be applied to gardening, please subscribe. I'm using a Vegetronix VegeHub and Peristaltic pump that will pump water from this 5-gallon bucket and drip it into the plant. The VegeHub is a great choice for this project because in addition to reading sensors, it can also access website APIs. I'm using free stock market data from a site called financialmodelingprep.com. It's a fantastic resource with a name that's a bit long and awkward. After creating an account, I got an API key that lets me retrieve real-time stock market data, specifically the daily change in the S&P 500. The VegeHub lets you enter a URL and select a JSON parameter to monitor, just like a virtual sensor. At Vegetronix, we even have a tool to help you find the right JSON path based on the parameter's value. The hub controls a relay. Once a day, it checks the S&P 500 data, and if the market is up, it drips water into the plant for 3 minutes. Inside the VegeHub is a latching relay which I've wired to pull power from the hub and send it to the pump whenever the relay is triggered. I've also hooked up a Raspberry Pi and a webcam to take hourly photos of the plant and upload them to Vegetronix.com. So if you're curious to see how both the market and the plant are doing, check out the link in the description. I've also listed the parts I've used and step-by-step instructions in the links below. If you love gardening and technology, please subscribe. Check out Vegetronix.com for cool gardening gadgets and automation ideas.